wherever we have a restrictions, for that restrictions we are creating a hazard worksheet.
Risk assessment. We do risk assessment.
After we are identifying some activities need to be performed with the restriction.
Okay.
We are taking those activities and then we are developing the hazard worksheet kind of thing.
Risk assessment.
For the restricted activities, what are the safeguards are available, whether any additional recommendation is required.
Okay.
So we are taking it up in a new way.
Okay. Okay. I wanted to show you construction versus consumption. I have done one workshop recently. So this is the risk assessment we do normally. Risk assessment.
And then similar way.
Right. So there is a recommendation, right?
Yeah.
So this recommendation.
Yeah, because the additional restrictions are required.
Okay. Okay. So what are the recommendation?
Recommendation is able demolition activities carried out in a pre-schedule.
Can we see on the screen?
Right?
Cable demolition activity.
It's from the field.
Okay.
It's
So
from the field.
is this still open, right?
Yeah.
This section must be closed.
Yeah, this is closed in principally. EPC scope of work because they recommended to update the EPC of
Okay.
principally it's added.
Okay, that means this recommendation has been closed.
Closed.
So now I want to see any open action.
Open.
Action I don't want.
Okay, you can see tiling package shall be prepared, shall be appropriate commencing activities at site.
Yes. So
See, it's a generic recommendation. Since we have so many tiles.
All the packages are.
Okay, so those packages may be
This is all
long time.
ongoing.
It's a continuous activity.
Okay, no problem. I am convinced.
Partially closed.
I am convinced. Okay. Okay, guys. So now I will share my screen. Yes, there. That we have seen. So no concern. Verify that project is following the operating site exclusion zone. You have exclusion zone? Of course, S2S exclusion zone, you may be having it.
Yeah, we have it, but our activities are not, our location plans is not there.
No.
Majorly IS.
I tell you, most of the activity you are doing in shutdown. And during shutdown, you are doing something, but before shutdown, you do pre-shutdown activity. In pre-shutdown activity, you cannot do everything everywhere. So
Yeah.
Exclusion zone.
Yeah.
So S2S zoning is there.
Yeah, zoning is there. WMS will govern and control this.
Based on the WMS, they will be identifying
Okay.
zone or zone.
Okay, so we are simply saying that the project is complying with the exclusion zone requirement.
No, not greenfield facility.
Yeah, it's a brownfield.
You
Yeah.
can report and then you can mention the construction plan.
Yeah.
Construction HSE plan. Okay.
Because in that you would have
Yeah,
mentioned.
they must be having it.
And hack layout also.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah,
construction.
no, Germany, here you are not preparing a hack layout.
Yeah.
Existing, you are using.
Heck layout is there existing. Yeah.
Because we know the situation.
You are not preparing. You are referring the existing one. Yeah.
Anyhow, we are not introducing anything.
Okay.
Because we have a lot of debates because based on the existing thing, whether it is hazardous or non-hazardous area.